these points very carefully during GDs also. Don't look there, look here. During GDs also, your topics would be technical. That is what I've been told. Rest it may happen in one of the rooms. Topics are general, but what I've been briefed about by the HR that your GDs would also revolve around the Linux, SQL, and other technical around the domain, around the role for which they are hiring, so that they are actually shortlisting the right set of people. Sometimes what happens is you do really well in the GD by talking generally, but you're not technically very strong related to the role for which they are hiring. So that's why during the group discussions also there'll be like to brief you, there'll be 4 GDs running parallelly. Per GD there'll be 15 students, and the topic would be technical only, so that they can judge you basis your communication and basis your technical knowledge related to the role. Am I clear?
Yeah.
I repeat, the topic of CD would be technical, so that they judge your communication and your technical knowledge. During interviews, the people who get shortlisted, though I will meet you separately, but in case during GD also, if you are introducing, please don't use the word aspiring software developer, aspiring data scientist, aspiring AI ML, right? You know the software support, technical support role. So if you quote such a word that I'm an enthusiastic data scientist and I'm an enthusiastic AI/ML, or I'm a aspiring software developer, if you use such words, they will understand that you are looking for a hardcore coding role, right? As per my logics, we have shortlisted certain set of students, so that students who are really looking forward for hardcore coding role. So each one of you had given a consent that you understand this role, you understand the JD, each of you have given the consent that you know that you have to go through the study material, but still there are many people at the last moment back out. So that's why today we have very thoughtfully shortlisted this set of students, and I hope you don't disappoint the panel, because they have it's a panel of 12 panel members. They've come all the way from Bangalore and Gurgaon. I don't want this feedback coming from the panel that they're not understanding the role. That's the reason yesterday we did this PPT, so that you have one day to think, ponder, and perform accordingly. Right? I don't want this feedback to coming from the panel that you have no clarity on the role. You are just coming blank. I don't want this feedback that students are not speaking in the GD, because round wise we'll get the shortlisting, and if at all we get this feedback, be rest assured some strict action will be taken against you, because nobody forced you to sit for this particular track. You are sitting with your own consent. Am I correct in this?
Yes, sir.
So I want good performance, because this I can give you in writing. If you perform really good and if you're very clear on the role, today we'll have anything between 20 to 25 selections. But they will not compromise on the quality. They will not hire like this. They want you to have good knowledge of Linux and SQL and good communication skills. It's a good company. You will feel very good once you go and join there, because I personally visited this company twice. The one who goes there, you will feel really happy working for Grey Orange. That is for sure for my case. Alright, am I clear? So we are now starting the GD, because PPT is already done. Please perform really well. I'm expecting some good conversion to the GD. Thank you.
15 4 यानी एक बार में 60 बच्चे।
डरे क्या बहन शैलेश
कहाँ जा रहे हो? लास्ट से शुरू किया है।
strategy breakdown
कितने बजे कवर? 15 बजे।
profiles important of language in enterprise system. Security, stability, and also
बैग वो लेके जाएंगे।
it is important
जॉब रोल दिखना है। जॉब रोल क्या है? जॉब रोल वो जीडी आधा घंटा चलेगा उसमें। अरे इसका जॉब रोल क्या है?
अरे असिस्टेंट जॉब है का सॉफ्टवेयर सपोर्ट इंजीनियर मतलब तुमको कुछ नहीं करना है यहाँ
बस
बैठ
टिकट
के-
को हैंडल करना
हाँ।
है। 0 to 1 लेवल्स माने कस्टमर से फर्स्ट लेवल पे हैंडल करना है
हम्म।
एंड देन रिफर टू द फर्स्ट लेवल टू द सेकंड लेवल्स।
हाँ, तुम्हारे दोस्त
भी
हाँ,
तेरा स्टार्टिंग और लास्ट पे भेज रहा है। क्या होगा दिन हथिया
लक्ष्मी प्रसाद कौशिक, कृष्णा कन्हैया, सुमन अखाड़ा, विष्णु नंदन, मणिपुर से निवास, सौरभ कुमार सिंह,
मोबाइल में देखो ना जो सीटवा है ना उसी ऑर्डर में बोला है
वो सर स्टार्टिंग और एंड से ले जाएगा।
अपना खोलो रूम नंबर देखो रूम नंबर में अपना देखो कहाँ 304 है ना नाम देखो
मेरा तो ये रहा 36
36 नंबर है।
नहीं 35 नंबर
मेरा देखो 1 0 930
है।